What's going on YouTube? So this is my Sterling 10.5 carrier. I haven't seen any videos on how to weld it, and I figured I would give it a shot. So I mean, as you can see, it's not a typical carrier where you've got a big hole that you can just weld everything shut. So first step, you gotta mark everything. Well, at least the case halves. Pull this off. I've already gone through and cleaned everything, but I'm still gonna hit it with some non-chlorinated brake cleaner. That way it gets a little bit better penetration. I'm gonna heat up everything before we weld it, but this is how it goes. So you got a top piece, you got your 3 spider gears. Let's see if I can get this out without it falling apart. And then you got your bottom piece. And make sure that you pick up the shims that go with it. So my process, like I said, I haven't seen this done before on YouTube or anything. I'm going to leave this in here like that. If I can get it back in there. Just see it's a tight fit. Get that back in there. This way. So my process is I'm going to tack this assembly all together like that. Then I'll come back and I'll put this on top and I'll tack that. Then I'm going to come back over here, make sure everything fits back together. Once I'm sure that it's fitted together, I will take it off. I'll fully weld inside there. I'll plate it and we should be good. And if we're not, then I guess I'll be buying a spool. But I figured I'd give it a shot. So we're gonna be doing this with our Lincoln Electric Pro MIG 180. As you can see, I've got it here on the ground. I haven't built a stand for it yet. But I guess technically it's gonna be a real Lincoln locker. So here we go. Okay guys, so I've got everything tacked up, and as you can see, I've checked fitment. Everything still lines up. We're still good to go. So next step, we're going to tack on the inside of this 3-pin bar right here, and after that we'll weld it up and then plate it, fully weld it up. See, before I go ahead and actually weld this up, I put it in a C-clamp. That way it just keeps everything square. That way, you know, I don't have to fight with it going in. Yeah, we're just going to weld this up, let it cool, and we'll assemble it, and hopefully everything goes good. Okay, so as you can see, we got 1/4 inch steel plate that we're gonna cut. We're gonna take that, cut it by 1.5 by 2 to put in there, cut 3 of them. Once we get that, put it all in, water all up. You guys don't really need to see that. I mean, I spent some time kind of cleaning this thing up. But yeah, it's still got a little bit of slag in there. We want to get as much slag as we can out because you don't want slag floating around in your carrier. Going on, guys? So I got it back together. As you can see, I don't know if you can see in there, but everything is welded. It's plated back together, and that's how you do it. Make sure you torque these back down to spec. I don't remember exactly what it is right now, but a little internet search and you guys can find that out.